Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Yaris and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on the car. So you'll notice I've already popped the bonnet. If you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, we're just going to stick our hand in above the Toyota badge, find the lever and pull that up, and we can open our bonnet. That is actually the lever there. Then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, we can just have a good look around the engine bay, and now you'll notice over the right hand side you've got your battery, your fuse box, and this is actually our air box. So the only tool we're going to need for this is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and that is actually our mass airflow sensor on the top there. So first off, take off the electrical connection by pushing in that button and just tuck that out the way, and then we can actually remove both of these screws fully. Once you've taken them screws out fully, we can just start to work the mass airflow sensor free, and it's nice and easy to do by just pulling it straight out. Just be careful and make sure you don't damage it if you're intending on putting the same one back in. Now looking on the top there, it is a Denso product, so Denso is a manufacturer, but it was actually made for Toyota. And I won't read out the numbers there because I'd like you to check your own model to make sure you get the right one. If you can't work it out, do check with your parts supplier via the VIN number on the car, and I've also made a video on how to find your VIN number. So once you've got your new product, or you've safely cleaned this one, just slowly push it straight back down, seating it to where it was before, and return your screws with no need to do them up too tight. Once your screws are done up, make sure you return your electrical connection until it clicks in. And there you go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on a 2008 Toyota Yaris with the VVTi engine. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.